Hello and welcome to FreeZone Video Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to set up an email account in Outlook 2010. First, you'll need to load up Outlook 2010 so you can see a screen as shown in front. Once here, please go to File, located at the top left of the screen. Then go down to Info and Add Account. Clicking on Add Account will bring up a new screen. In this new screen, it will prompt you to add in some details. Please select Manually Configure Server Settings at the bottom and click Next. Now it will prompt you for three options. If you can click Internet Email, which should allow you to choose IMAP or POP3 in the next selection. Once here, again it will ask you for some details. First, select the protocol to use. This will either be POP3 or IMAP. POP3 accounts take the emails off a server and store them onto your client. This is better for accounts with a limited disk usage. IMAP accounts keep a copy of the messages on the server and also allows for synchronization. Keeping the copy of messages on the server is safer if you want to keep a backup. You will now need to enter your name in the top box under User Information. Underneath here is email address. Please add the email address you wish to create. Make sure this is already added through your control panel. You will then need to add an incoming mail server, as the account type should already be there. In incoming mail server, please type in mail, then a dot, then your domain name. So that's mail dot, and then your domain name. In the outgoing mail server, please type in the same. So again, that's mail dot domain name. There may already be something in the username for logon information. Please remove this and enter in your email address. So this, in this example, is mark@merxy.com. Please enter in your email address password in the box below that says password. Make sure you tick remember password and leave require secure password authentication off. Once you have done this, please click more settings at the bottom right. Then go to the outgoing server tab. In here, you'll need to tick the top box that says my outgoing server SMTP requires authentication. This should load up the settings below. Make sure use same settings as my incoming mail server is ticked. Finally, you'll need to go to the Advanced tab at the top. In the incoming server IMAP or POP3, you should have 110 for POP3 accounts and 143 for IMAP accounts. Underneath in the outgoing server SMTP, this should be set to 587. You'll now need to click OK at the bottom to confirm all those settings, and then you can also test account settings to make sure these settings work. You should get a tick in both of the boxes, which means that it's all been set up correctly. You can now close down that box, and then Next and Finish to confirm these settings, and to start using your email account straight away. It may try and test the account settings once more. Don't worry about this, this is just a confirmation step. Once it has completed again, please close it down and you'll be able to finish.